Buying a car should be exciting, but what if your dream ride turns into a total disaster? Some cars may look great on the outside, but beneath that shiny surface, they're hiding a mess of expensive repairs and constant headaches. From skyrocketing repair bills to safety issues, these cars are anything but reliable. Based on countless owner complaints and expert reviews, we're about to reveal the 10 most hated cars you should avoid at all costs. Stay tuned and save yourself from a car buying nightmare. Number 10. Chevrolet Uplander 2005 to 2009. The Chevrolet Uplander 2005 to 2009 may have looked like the perfect family minivan at first glance, but it's more like a ticking time bomb of frustration. While it was marketed as a reliable and affordable choice, many owners quickly found themselves dealing with a series of headaches. From constant electrical failures to shoddy body parts, it feels like the Uplander was built with shortcuts. Add rust issues and air conditioning systems that seem to malfunction more than they work, and you've got yourself a money pit. Repair bills pile up quickly, and with so many other options out there, think Honda Odyssey or Toyota Sienna, you'll wish you picked a more reliable ride. If you're after a minivan that won't drain your wallet, the Uplander should definitely be scratched off your list. Don't fall for the initial appeal. This minivan has more problems than it's worth. Number 9. Chrysler Pacifica 2023 and earlier. The Chrysler Pacifica 2023 and earlier may have turned heads with its sleek, modern design and tech-packed features. But don't let its good looks fool you. This minivan is hiding some serious flaws under the hood. While it promises a smooth ride, many owners have been left regretting their decision thanks to persistent engine, transmission, and electrical issues. The 2023 model, in particular, has struggled with reliability, with drivers reporting sluggish performance and lackluster fuel economy. And let's not forget the in-car electronics, which seem to be more frustrating than fun. Despite being an improvement over older Chrysler models, the Pacifica still doesn't hit the mark for long-term dependability. It's like buying a high-tech gadget that keeps breaking down. Expensive repairs are often right around the corner. If you're looking for a minivan you can count on, you might want to steer clear of the Pacifica and look for something a little more dependable. Number 8. Volvo XC60 2013 to 2016. Volvo's reputation for building safe, reliable cars takes a hit with the XC60, especially in models from 2013 to 2016. Engine issues are the primary concern, with frequent complaints about faulty piston rings that lead to excessive oil burning. This can cause severe engine damage, leading to costly repairs that take a significant toll on your wallet. Additionally, the XC60's resale value sharply declines once it reaches 100,000 miles, making it a poor investment in the long run. Despite its luxury status, the XC60 fails to live up to expectations in terms of reliability, and owners are often left with regret. Number 7. Mitsubishi Mirage 2015 to 2021. The Mitsubishi Mirage 2015 to 2021 may boast a budget-friendly price tag, but it's far from a bargain when it comes to performance and reliability. This little compact car is powered by a weak 3-cylinder engine that struggles to deliver any real punch, leaving you with sluggish acceleration and a ride full of excessive vibrations. Don't even get started on the handling. It's more frustrating than fun. On top of that, the Mirage's poor safety ratings, faulty airbags, and braking issues make it more of a gamble than a safe ride. Sure, the price might seem appealing at first, but those low maintenance costs quickly add up, making it a regretful investment in the long run. If you're looking for a reliable, smooth ride, this little Mirage is better off left in the rearview mirror. Number 6. Volkswagen Jetta 2019 to 2021. The Volkswagen Jetta, once considered an affordable and stylish compact sedan, has become a source of frustration for many owners. Models from 2019 to 2021 are plagued with transmission failures, engine stalling, and electrical malfunctions. The vehicle has also been subject to multiple recalls for issues like defective fuel lines and faulty airbags. While the Jetta offers decent fuel economy and a smooth ride, its reliability is questionable, and owners have reported problems with cheap interior materials, and a lack of long-term dependability. The Jetta may look appealing on paper, but its long-term performance often falls short. Number 5. BMW 3 Series, 2007 to 2013. The BMW 3 Series is often praised for its luxury, performance, and sleek design. However, models from 2007 to 2013 are notorious for being plagued with issues that make ownership expensive and frustrating. Owners report oil leaks, excessive vibrations, and failing power windows, as well as power steering failures and overheating engines. These problems, combined with the high cost of repair and maintenance, make the BMW 3 Series one of the least reliable luxury sedans. While the 3 Series is known for its performance, keeping it on the road can become a costly endeavor, with average annual repair costs hitting around $1,030. Number 4. Renault 2019 models, Scenic Clio. Renault's 2019 models, particularly the Scenic and Clio, have earned a reputation for being unreliable and prone to serious issues. Electrical failures, faulty fuel hoses, and engine problems top the list of complaints from owners. Some drivers report hearing loud banging noises, while others struggle with gear failures that make driving unpredictable and stressful. While Renault attempts to downplay these issues, the numbers speak for themselves. When safety, performance, and reliability are all in question, it's hard to trust these cars, making them a risky purchase for anyone seeking dependability. Number 3. Jaguar XF, 2013 to 2017. The Jaguar XF is a luxury sedan known for its elegance and style. However, the 2013 model stands out as the most problematic year for the XF, with major issues like supercharger failures and engine shutdowns while driving. These problems can lead to repair bills ranging from $2,000 to $6,000, making it a costly car to maintain. Despite the attractive price tags found on used XF models, many owners have regretted their purchase due to these persistent engine issues and costly repairs. If you're considering a used Jaguar XF, it's best to avoid the 2013 model, as the repair costs can quickly outweigh the initial savings. Number 2. Nissan Versa, 2012. The Nissan Versa, particularly the 2012 model, has earned a reputation for being one of the most problematic and dangerous cars in recent years. The biggest issue lies in the defective transmission system, which allows the car to shift out of park without pressing the brake pedal, creating a serious safety risk. In addition to transmission problems, the Versa has been plagued with issues like failing airbags, seatbelts, and powertrains. It has received a staggering number of complaints and recalls, making it one of the most disliked vehicles on the road. If you're considering a used Versa, be sure to avoid the 2012 model for your safety and peace of mind. Number 1. Jeep Cherokee, 2011. At the top of our list is the 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee, a model that earns its spot as the most troublesome in the entire Cherokee lineup. With over 700 complaints filed, it's clear this SUV is more of a headache than an adventure. The real kicker: the totally integrated power module, which can leave you stranded with a dead engine and a vehicle that refuses to start. But that's just the beginning. Add faulty electrical wiring, a poorly designed interior, and a fuel pump that can randomly stall your engine, and you've got yourself a recipe for disaster. With repair bills averaging over $1,000, this Jeep quickly turns from a rugged ride to a wallet-draining nightmare. If you're considering a 2011 Grand Cherokee, do yourself a favor and steer clear unless you're ready to pay for constant repairs. If you found this list eye-opening, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends to save them from a car disaster. Subscribe for more car tips, reviews, and secrets to make your ride smooth and stress-free. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Catch you in the next video.